Hey guys!
Hey guys, spring is here!
And there's been a lot of change in both my front yard and my backyard. There's been a lot. The grass is now greener and the flowers are blooming.
The air is fresh.
So today, let's bring spring into here using chemistry.
Chemistry!
It's the interaction of a substance known as sodium silicate with 6 seeds that I have here.
Seed.
Mm-hmm.
One is grinded seed. Seed.
This seed is ferric chloride. It'll make a brown plant. And this one is ferrous sulfate. It'll make a very light green or white. This one is cupric sulfate. This one makes a blue. Cupric chloride with this nice green color. Here, it'll make a green plant. Calcium chloride, which makes a white, and cobalt chloride, which makes a indigo color. What happens here is that first, when these seeds are added to the liquid, it'll dissolve in the water present in the solution. However, the instant they dissolve, they'll meet with the silicate ions to form a thin film of insoluble metal silicate. There is still water left inside of the film, and because it's less dense than the solution, it'll want to rise up. So at some point, it'll form these tiny cracks on the film that you can't see. And that's where more metal silicate forms, because then the metal salt and the silicate can touch. This process repeats, and repeats again, and it'll look somewhat like a plant growing. So, let's get going. You ready?
Ready!
Let's do it.
Are you excited, guys?
Okay.
I think that's a yes.
Yep. I'm pretty sure it's a yes. So, let's add a metal salt. Let's start out with cobalt chloride.
The first guy. This is so cool!
Did you enjoy our garden?
Yes!
I hope you enjoy our garden too. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Enjoy spring. Bye.
Subscribe and like.
See you next week.